Today is Saturday, and now it's 7 o'clock in the morning. There is one place in Corfacan, which is part of Sharjah and near the border of Fujairah. One of my friends told me about this place, which is I think recently open last October 15. And this was a beautiful park, so we will go there. We will try to discover this area. Now it's 7 o'clock, and I think there is 1 hour drive going there, so let's go. We've arrived here in She's Park, and yung unang feature ng park na makikita nyo ay ang 25 meters long waterfalls. It's beautiful park. I think open lang niya noong October 15. Tingnan natin ang water features na to. I think this is 25 meters long according doon sa news. Try nating ikutin yung buong park. Meron din silang guide dito sa She's Park, which is really good. Makikita mo yung location kung saan ka lang pwedeng gawin yung mga dapat gawin according doon sa rules nila o sa instruction nila. Yeah. May mga elevation sila dito, different elevations. Pwedeng akyatin and then makikita natin yung area from the top. May mga stairs sila papunta sa pinaka-top ng area na to. Let's go to the highest area of this park. So this is the highest elevation of this park. Mayroon silang mga area kung saan pwede kang tumambay with a group. Yan. Meron sila nito parang mga canopies. Kaya lang walang barbecue areas. I think pwede ka lang ditong magstay or overlooking. Today is Saturday kaya wala masyadong mga tao, and this is the highest point of this park. Makikita mo yung it's amazing, it's beautiful view. Tingnan nyo. Makikita mo sa paligid is mga mountains. Ginawa nila ito, ganito yung materials ng mga mostly ng hagdanan na ginawa nila dito. Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung park, pero maganda siya. And for this area, napakaganda na mayroong ganito. An area where you can relax, especially during the weekend. Okay, let's get out from here. We will go to the next stop. So, wala namang entrance tong park na to. It's free entrance. So, pwede kayong pumunta dito with your family. Okay, so yeah, we will try. Ito yung this is the gear, and ito yata yung left and right. So, dahan-dahan lang just kasi hindi natin alam. Ayan, wait.